morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's forecast calls for some gray skies. But you're looking at a gray ceiling fan. Anyway, I'm getting off topic here. Here's a designer gray Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan from 1986, and you might be already noticing that there's something odd about it. Is that the brackets are, 1, Zephyr brackets, 2, they're chrome. Now, did I do this? No. Did I get the fan like this? Yes. Don't ask me how I know how this happened, because there's really no questions to be asked about it, because I don't really know. And here's the tag for it. And yeah, we have a special guest appearing via video chat. I don't know if you heard it, but Andrew Will is right there.
Avalon.
And his crazy Avalon, which I've already done a video of. Anyway, this fan is from, when did you say it was?
January 30, 1986, 357th fan made that day.
I'm not sure if you caught that, but he said January 30th, 1986, 357th fan made that day. Anyway, here's Lo. I'm a rambler. I like to ramble. I'm actually getting really excited right now because I'm just going to say this. I'm working on something that has to deal with cotton.
It's a sailcloth original.
I said cotton. Here's medium. So this fan is kind of slow for a Delta 2, but I mean, it has Zephyr brackets, so it's going to be slow, no questions asked. Yeah. Very cool fan, though. It unfortunately did not come with the hang true, which is alright. Here's high. It wobbles a little bit, but the flywheel isn't warped. I think one of the brackets is a little off. Andrew, I don't know if you can tell if it's wobbling on camera.
It is.
Does it look bad?
No.
Alright, good. I might install this in my bedroom if I can get a designer gray light kit for it. Which I'm willing to bet is hard to find.
Yes, except for the K1.
Of course it has. So, yep, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. And be sure to bring an umbrella, ladies and gentlemen, because we might have some rain in the forecast.